Hey everybody, my name is Caiden Don-Nicholls, and today I'll be sharing 3 effective classroom strategies within the school-wide Positive Behaviour Support Framework, or SWPBS, that promotes inclusion for Year 7 students. These strategies are presented in the classroom to ensure that all students can thrive when they are in school. But what is it? Let's just start with a quick definition. SWPBS is a proactive, school-wide framework that supports positive behaviour through explicit teaching, consistent expectations, and inclusive classroom organisation. The aim is to create a learning environment where all students feel safe, supported, and capable of succeeding, especially those with learning difficulties such as ADHD, autism, or any language processing difficulties. According to the Victorian Educational Department, SWPBS helps reduce behavioural issues while promoting a positive, consistent learning culture across the whole school. The first strategy is to establish and visually display clear classroom expectation using both written language and visuals. Since all of the Year 7 cohort are transferring from primary school to high school, they tend to be filled with anxiety and stress. Having direct and obvious instructions can help make students understand what is expected from them from the very beginning. Having visual displays can assist mentally impaired students as it reduces cognitive load, therefore making expectations easier to understand. During orientation week with my Year 7 classroom, I have a presentation going over my expectations with the class with visual prompts. Examples include treat everyone with respect, listen to my instructions, and put 110% effort. These are reinforced verbally through reminders at the start of each week throughout the semester. According to Wong, clear routines and visuals significantly improve classroom behaviour and inclusivity. Second strategy is group seating zones. Rather than assigning set seating, I structure the room into 2 different areas. One area for independent learning and focus, which is a quiet zone, and then a collaborative area for group work and discussion. This supports students with sensory needs, attention differences, or social anxiety by allowing them the choice and comfort in where and how they engage with their learning. This arrangement also presents the opportunity for Year 7 students who are new to the school and don't know anyone to socialise with other students and make new friends. As noted by Shaknia, flexible classroom environments support students' self-regulation and also promotes inclusive participation. However, to ensure they are not taking advantage of this system, I think some students are completing the necessary tasks they need to be doing. I'd place them in the quiet zone so they complete their work and be motivated to get it done to then go back with their peers and for open discussion and open work. Third strategy is the use of clear learning goals. At the start of each lesson, my Year 7s, I'd present a visual timetable for what we're going to be doing throughout this class, a clearly written learning goal. So, one thing that I want my students to take away from this class, and then what future learning this task presents. This strategy benefits mentally handicapped learners by reducing uncertainty and making learning objectives more definite and understandable. It also boosts engagement by giving my students an outline for the lesson and what is to come. According to Haiti, visual learning, where goals and success criteria are made explicit and clear, has one of the highest impacts on student achievement. Well, why does this work? Year 7 students are adjusting to secondary school, increasing their independence and navigating social and emotional challenges. By using these strategies, visual expectation fosters understanding and clarity for these students. Flexible seating supports independent learning as well as social development amongst their peers. And visual learning goals provide structure and purpose to what they're actually doing in the classroom. These all help students, but especially those with additional learning needs, as they will then feel seen, supported, and feel successful. Thank you for watching my presentation today. Implementing the SWPBS in inclusive ways transforms the classroom into a space where every Year 7 can learn, grow, and belong. Please look at my next slides to see my references. Thank you again.